What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 74 of 365, uploading video every day to YouTube for 365 days. It's a challenge I have challenged myself with. Hit subscribe and join the journey to 365 days. Now, today's video, we are going to be debadging my truck. I am going to be getting a full wrap design for this thing that we're going to wrap right here, most likely in this space. This is my garage, where you guys are probably going to keep seeing more and more wrap content because I've got a few things in the works there. So we are going to be removing this badge. We're going to leave the chrome strips for now, but they'll get removed before we do the actual wrap install. And then we're going to go back here to the tailgate. I'll drive the truck forward a bit and remove this badge, this guy. I'll probably leave the GMC on until we do the wrap too, and then there's a little SLT over there that we're going to also remove. So pretty much today's goal, make this truck look a little more clean, crisp, less badges. Tape around the badge here. Okay, now that we got that taped around, that is just to prevent any possible scratching of the paint. I know this paint job is not perfect by any means, and that's why I want to polish it, hopefully today or tomorrow, if I can get my polisher. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to use a fishing line and just go back and forth like that, and you can take those letters off, just like that. Nice, quick, easy way to do a debadge. And the fishing line, unlike if you're using some sort of thin wire, it's plastic, right? Or whatever they're made of. It's not going to actually scratch the paint. Especially if you're pulling away from the vehicle, even less chance of scratching. Now, if you do have sensitive hands, I suggest wearing some work gloves for this because it can dig into your hands a little bit. My hands are kind of just used to it. So there we go. Now, all we have left here is the adhesive, and that you can either sit there and pick at it like that, which I think this is the adhesive that does come off decent. No. Or you grab one of these guys, which is a wax wheel. These guys you can buy, I think Canadian Tire sells them, probably Home Hardware. Your local Napa or Piston Ring will have similar eraser wheel. So grab this, grab your drill, and put this guy into your drill. And at this point, you can now take your tape off. Otherwise, it's just going to make it more of a mess. And this will not damage your paint. All right, once you got this guy set on your drill, ready to go, just take it. And you're just slowly going back and forth, up and down. You don't want to stay in one spot for too long because you can burn your clear coat or your paint if you go that crazy. But nice and slow, as you can see, it's taking all the adhesive off. Afterwards, just clean it with some alcohol or window cleaner, because that has alcohol in it. And that'll take any of the hazing that is left behind. And I'll show you guys that in a bit. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the hazing that I was talking about and some of the adhesive still, like that just comes up like that. But we're just gonna take that and we're gonna spray some isopropyl alcohol on there. And just wipe that off. Just like that, we have a debadged door. All right, obviously now that part looks cleaner than the rest. That is a stone chip, so don't worry about that. Yeah, there you guys go. That is how to quickly and cleanly and harmlessly debadge your vehicle. Some wire wheel on a drill, or no, not wire wheel, just a wax wheel, eraser wheel on a drill, along with some fishing wire and some tape, a little bit of microfiber, glass cleaner, or alcohol. You're good to go. That's all you guys need. Quick, easy how to. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're going to have lots more how-tos and vlogs, shop vlogs, wrap vlogs, all kinds of cool stuff coming this year because we're still going to 365 days. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Have a great day.